Hello, kids! Today, we're going on an amazing journey through the solar system. Each planet has its own unique, interesting, and fun features. If you're ready, let's head to our first stop. Hello, kids! I'm Mercury. I'm the closest planet to the Sun, which makes me very, very hot. But at night, I become extremely cold because I don't really have an atmosphere. I'm also the fastest planet in the solar system. I go around the Sun in just 88 Earth days. My surface is full of craters, just like the Moon. Because I'm so small, I don't have any moons. I'm tiny, but full of surprises. Hello, kids! I'm Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Even though I'm not the closest, I'm actually the hottest planet. That's because my thick clouds trap heat like a giant oven. I have volcanoes and rocky plains on my surface. I'm about the same size as Earth, so people call me its twin. But don't be fooled. My skies are filled with dangerous acid clouds. And guess what? I spin the opposite way from most planets. That means on Venus, the sun rises in the west. Hello, kids. I'm Earth, your wonderful home. I'm the only planet known to support life. I have oceans, mountains, forests, animals, and people like you. I spin around once a day, giving you night and day, and I go around the sun once every 365 days. My atmosphere protects you and lets you breathe. I have just one moon, but it's very special. Let's take care of Earth. There's no place like home. Hello, kids! I'm Mars, also called the red planet. I look red because of the iron in my dusty soil. Scientists think water once flowed on my surface. I have giant volcanoes and huge canyons. The tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is on me. I have two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Many robots have come to explore me. One day, maybe you will walk on Mars. Hello, kids. I'm Jupiter, the biggest planet of them all. I'm a gas giant with no solid surface. The great red spot on me is a storm bigger than Earth. I spin really fast, faster than any other planet. That's why I look a bit squished at my poles. I have more than 90 moons. Can you imagine? One of them, called Europa, might even have oceans under its icy surface. I'm huge, stormy, and always exciting. Hello, kids. I'm Saturn, and I'm famous for my beautiful rings. These rings are made of ice and rock pieces. I'm also a gas giant, just like Jupiter. I spin very fast, so I look wider in the middle. I have over 140 moons, and my biggest one is called Titan. Titan even has lakes and a thick atmosphere. Even though I'm huge, I'm very light. I could float in water. Looking at me through a telescope is like magic. Hello, kids! I'm Uranus, the planet that spins on its side. That's right. I roll through space like a ball. This makes my seasons last many years. I'm a blue-green color because of methane gas in my air. I'm called an ice giant because I'm full of frozen materials. I also have rings, but they're hard to see. Most of my moons are named after characters from Shakespeare's plays. Even though I'm far away, I'm full of cool mysteries. Hello, kids. I'm Neptune. I'm the fourth largest planet in the solar system. I'm famous for my blue-colored atmosphere, and I'm one of the coldest planets in space. I have some unique features that set me apart from other planets. For example, there's a massive storm called the Great Dark Spot swirling around on me. Also, I have rings and several moons. Spacecraft have been sent to observe me, and there are still secrets waiting to be discovered. I hope one day you'll explore me more closely and be amazed.